Test. Okay. Hello. How do I sound here? So high. Okay. Check my volume. Test. Should be good. So let's get things up. I'm gonna have a side for gold and silver, and also a side just for our usual NQNES. Because I've been kind of going at it for both lately. Make sure everything's set daily, weekly. Okay, this is where I have gold set. So I'm gonna do gold and silver. Should be good. Perfect. So we're gonna do gold on left, silver on right. 2 tabs. For the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then we'll do 15. There we go. You'd like the dark room, not super bright. Should I just convert it? We can paint these pretty quickly. Okay, I have all my NinTrader up. We're looking good. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I've been trading just gold and silver on lower time frame. 15-minute time frame has been working really well. I haven't been paying attention to NQNES as much, but I know we hit all-time highs already. Back in the groove of it. We kind of left on a pretty high note, if I remember correctly, from our trading in QNES. So yeah, not much really happened here. It's been very bullish. Every daily FAG has been respected. You filled the bottom one, and then you push for another leg higher there. 4 hour might be giving you more info here. So this is what we want to see. Pop the high. You can't really be bearish until we get this closure here, because then we'll already invalidate here. So we already inversed it. We have kind of like a BPR structure. I can extend it to over here. If we can get a closure under, even the consequent encroachment, we'll get under the BPR, and then we start playing under. Right now, I'm not seeing too much of upside yet, or downside yet. Unless we're anticipating it. Oh. Zoom out. Oh boy. Let me try to fix this. How's that? Is that better? Okay, I'm gonna keep. I'm include the time too. Maybe I'll make these time much larger so you guys can see. Is this it? No. Yeah, I'm gonna do large. This one doesn't even have it. Make sure we save all the settings, and the next stream should be good. So you guys see what time frame I'm on? Go to the bottom. Because I do like to flip time frame very frequently. This big. Okay, yeah. This needs to be up one. I have a much bigger monitor right now. This is a pretty beefy monitor, so that's probably why it makes everything look small. There we go. One step at a time. Now we have the chart looks good. You can see the tabs. No audio. It's not the monitor issue, it's the resolution in the stream. Oh, is that what's happening? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think right now this works. I'm looking at the OBS. You guys don't need to see too much of the top and bottom. It's kind of useless. This should be good. So we can start charting now. What I like to do, look at the higher time frame. We already look at the daily. Here we can see that it's bullish. We're trying to go for these highs. I think we're looking at what is that, 118. Let me send this to the left side too. This is what NQ is going for. It's been struggling. 4 hour, I'm not gonna be bearish until we get this closure, then I'll be very bearish. What you can do is make the text bigger in the chart settings. It'll only change the text size. Oh, how do I do that? Must be in here. Let me see if I can. Text. Oh. Does that help? How's that look? Let's do 18 for all of them. Let's do 18 too. How's the echo here? I mean, yeah, we just moved in for like, it's been, I guess, like 10 days so far, so it hasn't been too long. But you know, we have a lot of stuff shipping. That's why it's so empty. But it's a very large house. Alright, a few more. Bear with me here. Gonna do as fast as I can. And then we can start trading at 1:30. We just missed 30 minutes of trading time. Make sure all the settings are saved. I'm good. This is gold and silver. I'm on NQNES over here. Looking good now. Except this side. Welcome back. Welcome home. I'm very particular on how I do all my things too. Should not be here. Yeah, this should not be here. So hourly really doesn't show much. The only thing I can see that's prominent is this hourly figure I got here. We really haven't refilled. We left a lot of imbalance below. I think we want to go for these highs first. Where is it? These highs up here first. I think that's what I want to see targeted. If we can keep on climbing up here, then we can really drag it down. I would like that a lot more. So much so far, really. This is the 5 minute. It's really back and forth right now. I'm not really sure a good direction where it's trying to get to here. Oh, you remember the last stream promise? Did I say I'm gonna do a ton of giveaways the first stream we come back? Don't tell anyone. I think we should be looking for upside. Oh. Silver took a shit. I was long silver, then I shorted up here. Damn, that was a nasty dump. See, this is how it's so easy to actually jump in and ride silver down. I'm still overall bullish on silver. We're just really up big on silver. It was up. It was like 4 or 5% on the day near the peak. Now it's coming back down here. It's gonna climb back up. We can see if we want to get closer above. I think we should focus on longs on silver too. Tomorrow's stream should be much better. Right now, I'm not sure what the move is here. Try this out for now. What's up, chat? Long or short here, guys? I'm itching. I think I'm looking more for longs than shorts here. How do I see something like this? Use this as support here. Still holds. Wicks down, close back above. This order block, brigade entry. ES, I think, is slightly stronger. It doesn't really matter which one you take, to be honest. I'm just gonna be watching to see if we do take it long here. I can see silver really pushing back up. I see the 5 minute here. This is what I think is gonna happen. And just climb his way back up. Silver has been pretty bullish here. We did take the 8:30 news. What's the Ninja Trader silver? Is it? Is it February? No. December? Is GC? Oh, is it SL? Maybe SL. I feel like it's March SL. There it is, there it is. Okay, it's still March 26. This is the right one, right? Yeah, I think this is the right one. I don't even know if I can trade this. What the hell? I'm looking for longs for both right now. Kind of like long and silver too. But let me see if I can log in first. What do you guys think of this long? Either long. They're both very similar to me. ES is probably something I can take. Yeah, silver, I think they're blocking silver in some firms I'm trading with. Or they're raising the margin requirement like really, really stupid high. I want to see this like or back up. We'll take on the silver though, or ES here, most likely. Trying to get everything set up in time. I can't even log in, what the fuck? Oh, I know why, okay. Sorry, one sec. This is my first time trading on the PC too. SIL isn't tradable for Lucid, but SL is. Oh, it's just a different name. Alright, trying to put this in now. I think it's working. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, you good here? Alright, I'm gonna try take the jab. Trying to get everything set up because I don't have ES on charts too. I'm gonna just add in a 94s. Silver's still pumping. I don't think we even get a chance silver. I'm gonna try the on the ES here. Let's see this move higher from here. Higher time frame still looking for upside. That's what we're looking like right now. Okay, here we go. Should have everything set up now. Put the stop in. Oh, it has audio on. Let me turn off audio. I don't like that. Where do I turn it off? You guys probably can hear the audio. I don't want you guys to hear me spam everything. Should be in NinjaTrader settings. Yes, someone said it scared you. That's the one thing I definitely don't want posting because it might confuse you guys. Let me just look it up how to turn off all this sound here. Tools, options, wait. I'll find the sound. Select X next to each sound. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, I see it. There we go. Beautiful. All right, should be good to go. No more sounds. I'm gonna try it. Again, yep, no sounds. Silver is looking good. After this closure, I think we if there was opportunity to enter, it would have been on the first tap in. You let that shit ride. For now, I am in ES longs. I think ES is holding a little bit better than NQ right now. And looking for another push back up if we can. We did take a lot of highs here. Bounce back to support. I want to see this still accumulate until really we hit the target. This is what I'm looking at the target right now. I want to see NQ take all these buy side up here before coming lower. But I'm gonna try that long. Giveaway, like the stream. How many likes we got? We'll do the giveaway start. We can do some variety. We can do a few now, a few in the middle, and then a few at the end. 8-point stop seems a bit high. I'm probably gonna shift it to this low here very soon. looks like volatility has been slowing down too. What's up? What's up? How's PR? PR's been honestly better than, I feel like better than a lot of people it's thinking. Even people in chat when I talked about it, like everyone has their idea of it, and it's not as horrible as you guys think. They got Costco, they got Best Buy, they got all these big brands. Oh, we're trying to turn here. Still in this here. Just on ES. Did you go ocean yet? I have not. Food. San Juan food is good. Dorado food, I feel like it's been very mid. This could still be open here if we want to look for longs on silver. I think I do like higher prices on silver too. Should just be a quick tap back in to 87 and then launch back up. So we already took the 830 news low here. I do think we can climb back up. It's gonna take me out here, I like to think. This is next. This is next for me. Gonna try out under 87s. This one, I might get stopped out, chat. I was going for a bigger push up. It hanged around a little bit. We got a pretty decent push, and then just did not do anything after that. Pretty sad. How many likes we got, chat? We're gonna do the giveaway. Start off first. Where's my control panel? Still looking at silver though. Silver long is also open there for me. Silver, you gotta be careful of the volatility. It moves really, really fast because each tick, or handle, I forget, it's 0.005. So it's not even 1 cent, it's half a cent. If you're looking at the tick price here. So if we move even like a decimal place here, which is just 1 cent, if you're looking at like a dollar amount, 1 cent, that's already like, how much was that? Is that 500? I think it is. 500 or 250, I forget the conversion. Still holding this long here. Didn't hit stop. Yeah, stop is the swing low here. I'm gonna be trying to enter off of silver as well. Oh, we missed it, I think. I think we can still come back down if we and get a quick jump in, and I see us pushing back to 88s. So this is still holding here. No big deal yet. This is when does BrianStonk trade silver? I've been trading silver since I've been off the stream. Silver is nice. This price action is just smooth. If you looked at overnight too, it's been just growing slowly up with up. Oh. I don't see a number. Do you have his license? I can put it in. Yeah. Okay. Yep, we're still getting a lot of more constructions. We're doing all our wiring too. That was lento. Silver can come down, and I'll pick it up right here. This one, I had it at 94s. It's not really trying to push back up. NQ wants to move back down, looks like. Let me do something real quick. Unisec. I should do the giveaway chat. Okay, there we go. Take out this low. So I'm looking at. What is a silver ticker name? So I just did it. It's SIL March 26. This is the, if you want to put on InTrader. Slower now. NQ is really trying to drag this down, but let's see. Okay, should we do the giveaway in the Discord here? Let's start all with a few. You guys can see this? Okay. Let's just test it out here. Let's do 5 minutes. 3, oh no. Okay, 3, I'm almost at 300. And let's do just 700 more points. Or I actually have trade day too. All right, all you gotta do is just enter this. The way you enter is very, very simple. You just press this emoji. You press it twice, it'll say you already entered. Just give you a warning. We did it for 5 minutes. I posted a link here. We did 3 winners. We're gonna do most likely another 3 near the end of the stream, so 6 total. That's a good start so far. Maybe we can do a few other different giveaways. Somebody down here. I want to try to pick this up. Under 87. I'm gonna do a stop kind of like 86.4, 0.5. Is a hefty stop, but I'm looking for a bigger target. Look for something like this. I want to just see basically a quick tap in, then pop back up. Same thing with the ES. I want ES to also climb back up. Since when you're trading gold, since I've been banking, that's when I've been cooking gold a little bit, or not gold, but silver. I actually don't trade that much gold. Silver has been very trend based, so if you can get ads in a good area and just let it hold. Like if you were able to like long here, just let it ride up pretty quick. Even with small size, you don't need a big size of silver at all. I have NQ and ES over on my left side. I'm just watching both. I think NQ and ES is a little bit weak right now. Kind of focusing a little bit more on silver right now. Get a pop here. I'm gonna try to add in under A7 here. Silver. Put it in. It's gonna get under 7. I'm gonna be patient for this. Here's under 87 here. Pick some up right here. It's just connection. Hopefully we're good. There's under 87, or yeah, there's under 87. Gonna try to jab along. Unfunded. Looking for this whole breaker. I have it on funded next. This is what we're looking like. We're in the red. Popping back up. Gonna slowly add inside this breaker. Stop under the breaker. Should have enough room for this trade. And 2 contracts on the fund next bolt account. See how this goes. About like a 0.5. It's actually a larger stop than I should. This is just something I would do on my live count, but since it's funded, I might just do tighter stops. Change the black. Then what it looks like this. Oh no, I don't like that. I think maybe it was dark mode that I had on. But let me see if I can do like a little gray. That might be better. See this push back up. Here, I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll just be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Looking good, looking good. Pretty good push here. Let me move this up the way. This is where I'm gonna be looking for the really target here. Basically the previous low, we're looking at 305s. Check that, I'm gonna take some off on my live and hold the rest unfunded. Good push here. I'm keeping this stop here closer to 0.5. I added right at the break of 87. That's the whole goal of it. It's a large breaker. I don't need to tag it early. We were in the red. Now we're climbing back up. These are the boat accounts. I think these are daily payouts. So I need. Do I need 3,500? You got to get above the buffer, and then you can withdraw all of them, I think. Here. Really good push right now. What are those noises? Oh, I think those are my Robinhood. This is my live count. I'm also on that trade too. I want to turn that off for you guys though, because I don't want you guys to think it's your system. This is what I have on Robinhood. Every time I make a limit order, it'll make a sound like this. I'm trying to figure out how to turn it off though. It's doing it again. There we go. I'm trying to look up how to turn it off. Settings, select accounts. I couldn't find it. Dude, this is silver, baby. This is a pretty easy unicorn setup. We're not even moving that much already. This is about 0.5. If we get to 0.8, holy shit, we're gonna be good. No, I didn't copy trade. Oh, fuck, man. This was not copy traded. Damn. It's because I did silver. I copy traded it on NQNES, but I didn't set it for. Wait, no, it should have. It should have. Oh, I put on ES. That's a rookie mistake. It's fine. It's fine. I made some money on the live count, so if you guys can see here, we're doing good right now. I have one left. We're up $51,000 on this Robinhood account. Trading only silver. This is only silver of the day. I have this one on ES, which I'm down on. Oh, this didn't hit stop yet. It's fine. ES, whatever. NQ or silver, we're banking. I had 3 contracts. We took 2 off, and it was up like 5K, I think. So we're gonna see what we can do with this last one here. That's fine. Gonna move it up a little bit. Is there micro silver? I think there is, but I'm not sure what it is on NinjaTrader. Would it be MSIL? Could there just be a micro in it? No. How about this? No. I'm not even sure if there's a micro silver then. Oh, SL is mini, SIL is micro. Am I trading micros right now? Why not? I should be trading the mini version. No, that's not it. This to me is already very volatile. You're saying 500 bucks of one contract of this small move that's like in one candle. What would be the mini version on NinjaTrader then? I would trade the mini version low key. Let's see. Okay. Oh, the winners, by the way. Winners is Emmy, G Pow. Is that might be Glenn Pow, I think. And then let me just see. So Maddie, Emmy, G Pow. Minis makes 100 bucks a point. You guys don't know my hit rate on silver yet, though. What if we're gonna be making tons of money? Jerome Powell. It's SI. Okay, let me try. Oh, I could trade this? No freaking way. I was trading micros the whole time? Are you kidding me? Guys, can you guys see if this is micros or minis too? I made 50,000 on this. If I trade this on micros, no, I think these are minis. That's weird. That's just, I'm not even sure anymore. This is a bottom ticker. Wait, what just happened? My limit was rejected. Hello? Yeah, you better stay there. So you're saying, guys, let's recap here. I'm trading micros on my funded. I'm up $500 off this small move. If I traded minis, just one mini, it'd be 5,000. Is it 10-1 from minis still? I need a recap, to be honest. 'Cause 5,000. I could have already made my profit. We kind of bottom ticked this. Damn, guys. You guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Next trade will be on silver minis. Don't take my advice. Don't follow me if you can't. But I'm gonna have to do it. And look at NQ and ES here. I mean, we're selling down a little bit, but it's just very slow. We can probably break this low. While I could just easily just go on the 5-minute time frame, bottom tick this long entry, and it's gonna pump past this high. We could already make, you know, far more than what we'll do on NQ and ES. That's why I've been on NQ and ES or silver much more lately. And look at this. You guys think, oh, I have 2 million. One contract, we're almost up 4,000 off of this. Are you kidding me? I'm probably gonna take this sooner than later here. 52.6 thousand in a day. I don't even know what I'll be at. We're at, okay, I think this is wrong. Unless it didn't capture. No. Oh, I don't think I'm up that much a day. What's wrong with this? We just took a dump. We just took a fucking dump. I think that's gonna hit me even there, or not even. It hit me green stop most likely. Right there, it tagged me out. Still green on this trade though. Very green. This should still hold, to be honest, but let's see. How do you trade on Robinhood? They have this feature where it's Robinhood Legends. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna do Trade of 8 and Robinhood Legends. You trade features pretty easily, or trade anything. Glenn Powell, nice. You got a congrats on the giveaway winnings too. This is probably gonna try to push back up. I want to see silver do a leap too. I hit green stop on funded. Still have my 1 on Robinhood. Need this to really climb back up though. If you guys are trading silver though, don't be looking too much on like the 1 minute, like, oh, this is about to invert, this is gonna be like a mini breaker. I think what you guys gotta do is look at the 15-minute, look at the 5-minute, and just kind of play the trend. So for me here, we took out the low, 830 news low, broke down, we attempted for a move back up, we took that low, and then we got a nice push back up. That validates that breaker, the unicorn. We want to just take an entry, jab back down, and then just basically let that roam back up. I don't think we have enough time in the session right now, because it looks like the volatility died a little bit. But if we had more time, I could definitely see this come right back up to 88s. You can't trade silver on Apex? I'm pretty sure I could. I did news on Apex literally today on silver, and it was like the easiest pass for evals, not non-funded. So I bought some evals at 90% off, and I just passed them. I think you can trade SIL on Apex, but not SIL. Oh, that's crazy. Why would they let you trade the minis, but not the micros? Dude, micros on silver. If you guys are saying I was trading micros on silver, I made $1,000 off of 1 move, off of 2 contracts, and I could trade minis, which is like much more than that. I have no idea how to really play this. How many minis in a micro? Or other way, how many micros in a mini for silver and gold. Is it 10 to 1 or is it like a different metric? Oh, I could have made 5 bands off of Funding X right there. That was a pretty solid entry. Like, are you entry under 87? It went to 88, basically 0.2 drawdown. If you get 87, I didn't even get 87. I got much lower, around 0.9 to like 0.1 drawdown, and it already climbed up like 0.6 points, which is a lot. That could have yielded me like 10K already per account. 1 point move on silver is 5,000. 1 point, yeah. So half a point would be 25. That's a ton. I'm probably gonna take my last one out here. Gonna be watching for a re-entry. I think silver still moves higher. We're gonna close this out probably like 53K here. 1 silver contract. This is 7 points. We're almost at 5K already. So. SI is mini, SIL is micros. That makes sense now. Now I know. See, I don't even know how this works. All I know is how to trade, and I've been making a ton of money on silver. Year to date, year to date is at 200 right now. All right, last contract out. We're almost at 53K on the day, just only on silver, by the way. Keep that in mind. And made about 900 bucks on Funding X. I was gonna try to trade a TBT. Can you guys trade silver on TBT? I think I tried before and it rejected me. I'm not sure if I clicked the wrong asset or whatever happened. TBT reject on silver. So you can't trade silver minis or micros on TBT. That sucks. If I could, I'll be making a ton of money. Mute that tab on your browser. So after the stream, I'm gonna just turn off the settings. I don't even know how to mute it, to be honest. I can do it. I can hit mute. So there we go. Top step silver would be actually really nuts too. If you guys want signals, if you guys want silver signals, I got them. We did 1 so far. I mean, sure, we kind of missed on ES. We lost like 8 points, but then, you know, silver came along. This is already like 0.6. If we get 1 point, which is what I like, that'd be crazy. Just buy or sell and pray. So yeah, I mean, you could do that. You could just YOLO it, or you could just be responsible and just wait for the right trades to come. Did you guys see me rush into this? I literally, when it was going up here on this closure, I saw this entry already. And it was very clear to me. So I'm like, once we get under 87, we'll just tap back in. We'll take out this low. tap in, and then just climb way back up. You could YOLO it if you like, but you're gonna maybe hit some, you're gonna lose some. It's just better just get a feel of how these gold and silver work. It's similar to, I feel like NQ and ES. Gold might be closer to ES. Silver is like an amped, cracked version of NQ. And you could do the same thing like SMT, divergence, whatever it is. But the main thing is just get used to seeing how these precious metals move. We don't necessarily have to like take out like a low before we come back up. It tends to trend more, but if we're very bullish on the higher time frame, it's like buying every single dip. The moment it takes out a low, like this low here that I'm thinking of, you're gonna be eager to try to jump back in longs. It's so momentum driven, where if we're biased, like, you know, buying every dips, the moment it dip, just get ready to long. And I think I made like over 150,000 in the last 10 days. I gotta account for December too. At the end of December, I was trading silver and I was going nuts with it too. You can trade silver mini on TPT, not micros. No way, you could trade silver minis on TPT? That's even crazier. I need to turn this off. Gonna post this. Oh no. Pretty good hit though. It's coming back up here. Stop should have been honestly down here, but I'm not really too paying attention to NQ and ES right now at this current moment. I think this is too easy to trade. I'm always a type 2, like people like, oh, trade crypto, trade all these other stocks. And like, I just want to stick to NQ and ES, that's all I know. And if I go to something else that's foreign, I'm not sure how it would translate. Maybe it'll mess me up. But I give it a shot on precious metals. I tried it in gold, I tried it in silver. After a while, I got the hang of it. I'm just like, why is NQ just moving like shit? Just so choppy. But silver is just clean trend days. And I could just make like 5 times as much. I could lose that much too, but you know, this is where execution matters here. So it could either ruin you or break or make it for you, depending on how you utilize it. I wouldn't YOLO it. You would need to be very precise with it. This is what I'm looking like right now. This is like kind of nothing. But if I look at shit, I don't know how to do it. I can do it on my phone where it shows how much I made on it. Let me see. Never mind. I don't know how to do it then. Silver's gonna pump here. I'm looking for a break of 83s. You can kind of trade micro silver on TPT. SI equals $25 per tick. Did you have to back test precious metals before trading them? I did, or not probably the way that you're thinking of it. I just looked at the last, like how it's moving the last 30 days, last 2 months, and just basically study off that. I feel like it could be more of a detriment if you study how precious metals move for like the last years, or anything that's like not recent is gonna be more against you, because this is not normal. If you want to take a quick look at it, on the 1 minute chart right now, you look at let's say the hourly chart. This is not normal price action. It's been slowly, steadily going up here. This is December, so I want to point you guys a daily chart here. This is nowhere near normal. It's been so steadily until November. It's not been that long. It's been 2 months since November. We have December and we have January. This is less than 2 months. And from there, we're at 53. It's almost doubled since then, or in price here. So it's parabolic right now, and we're still pushing higher and higher. So that's why I don't think you need to know how things are going from like years back. All you need to do is look at the last 2 months at most, where it's been more recently. That's your study material. What's your strategy on silver? I trade the same way on NQNES. Just got to be more mindful of on the trend. So this is me being bullish. 8:30 news. Took the low out. Took all these liquidity out. We broke it. We took a jab higher. Failed. Took another low. And then close our this candle here signified this breaker. I'm looking for any retrace at all to jump in longs before I push back up. And we didn't get that on this candle. We didn't get that in this candle, but we did get it here, and that's where we jumped in longs. Longs at 87. Slight drawdown, but then now it's climbing back up. It's like 5R right now. You gotta be mindful of stops too. I think for silver, for me, you can't really have a large stop because it already moves so much. And even if you're trading micros, that's a lot already. So for me, this is already a very large stop. I would typically do 0.4, and this is where I'm looking at entry. But I could always just wait a little bit and just see how far I can really get lower. So that's why my entry was closer to like 90s or 0.9s. Now we have more like a 0.3, 0.4 stop. This is already like 1 full point. I'm still looking for higher. Does Brian hit the gym yet? Do I look like I've been on it, but you don't see instant results. Yeah, give me like a 30-day notice here, and then come back. Puerto Rico has been it. I mean, first day so far, we took a loss on ES. We ran that shit on its silver and just made like 3 times much. That's how easy it is. This might wrap it up soon, guys. I'm not sure where we're moving from here. We can do one more giveaway, and then we can chat a little bit and then wrap this up. Can you explain the trade? I kind of explained like 4 times already. If you rewind maybe a few minutes, I explained it again. All right, if you guys want E8 accounts, I also have E8 accounts. We'll do another 3 to end this off. Salary. Two minutes, 2 winners. I'm gonna do another one on Twitter right after this. This is for, I guess it could be 700 points or free E8 account, 50K account, which I think is much more valuable. Only 2 minutes, is very quick. We're gonna do one more on Twitter. Those drops on silvers are sharp. It is. Just one candle, like let's say you're on this candle here. This next candle, it could already drop you like 2,000 bucks on one contract. Just gotta be careful. Not everyone's built to trade silver. That's all I gotta say. Alright, giveaways already commencing. You guys have 38 seconds. I'm gonna enter 2. This will be 5 total, and we'll do another 2 or 3 on Twitter. Maybe it'll just be like if you took the silver trade or whatever, made some money, share the execution, we'll do another 3 there. Sound good? I'm gonna post this. If you guys can post execution, we're gonna do another 3 giveaways. I'm just gonna post this like this. Should be good. I wanna capture the. There we go. There we go. That's good. Let's see who the winner today is. For the next 2, we have B opposite, and we have Squeebs. We'll do another 3. That means we're at 8 total. This one is for 700 points or free E8. The first one was for 700 points or trade A. All right, just for the YouTube, if you guys took this trade on silver or any trade anywhere from here from the PM session, if you want to post your execution or your profits from it, ideally execution, it's not going to be that many, which is good, because if there's less people, then you know it'll be a free shot. So I kind of want to give it to the people who traded with us. So post silver execution. We'll pick winners. First day back on stream though, that's pretty good. It didn't go as much as I wanted, but like this has only been like, it's been a 40-minute trade and we almost went up whole dollar from it. A whole dollar is 5,000 per contract, by the way, which is like the equivalent of that on NQ would have to be like 250 points. So that move we did here off one contract, this move here, from this all the way up, is equivalent to 250 points on NQ. If my math is right, 250 points, NQ, $20 per point, that's 5K per contract. This is the same math here. If you did the trade on demo, if you want to post execution, that's fine too. It doesn't, I'm not gonna front you on if you took on demo or you took on funded paper or whatever. Just trying to give it to people trading with us this time. It most likely will be like 10 people post. We pick 2 or 3 winners. You guys have a 30% chance. Be pretty fire. If you watch it, you can't enter. If you want to post any execution of today, that's fine too. You do that. This is climbing back up here. NQS is just very slow. Silver's coming back down. We did take a high, little SMT from this. I think that's gonna wrap up trading for both NQ and the precious metals. We were like 15 minutes from power hour. I'm either gonna put you guys on something great, or it's gonna be something like you guys should be touching. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Is it alright to re-enter silver? I'm not too much of a fan yet. I think this one maybe you have to wait for to get back under 87 first. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, I'm done trading for the day. Let me know what you guys need here. Have you guys got all the smart platform rewards? All those traders, users who made TPT purchases, we've been able to get all your purchases tracked, and a lot of users been getting like, it's like 3 to 4 to 5,000 points, which is equivalent to like 3 to 500 bucks in value, and we're trying to add more to that. But it's been pretty good. We're able to have that streamlined with TPT now. You're able to provide with us. That we're gonna do Tradeify. I'm not sure if you guys are aware. Those who trade Tradeify, payout bonus I think will be ready in the month. So maybe we'll start in February, and E8 also. We're probably gonna remove funding ticks. So you'll have Funding X, Alpha, Lucid, and then 2 more, Tradeify, E8. That'll be 5. I have not received any rewards for Funding X since November. We made an update recently, or maybe it was like a month ago. We're not doing any Funding X rewards. What we're doing, if you get a payout, you get 1100 points instead of 800, so it's more boosted. We're doing that because a lot of users are lifetime lock, and we want to be able to reward them, even though we don't get any commission of it. So as long as you use code SMART and you get a payout, you get basically any account you want. 1100 points is like, it's almost enough for a 2 25k accounts or one 50k account, like let's say like 800 points, and then you have enough for the next run. So yeah, if you want to read up on that, it should be on our Discord. We're trying to keep everything updated in this community. So like TPT autosync, we did a big raffle too with it. TPT reward sync, this is info on it. You need to submit anything from September to December. Those who only have January, you have to wait for that. So if you're gonna wonder why it takes so long, it's because January's not accepted yet. For Funded Next, this is it. Yeah, this is where we made announcement, reward update. Purchase rewards are halted for points, but payout bonus 800 to 1100. So that's how it's gonna run here. And if you don't want to dig through anything, just ask someone in the Discord chat. We have trained mods. They would literally answer within like 5 minutes for the most part. I received a payout reward, thought the points were buying eval was still a good thing. Yeah, I mean, it's only for Funding X. For other firms like Lucid, soon Tradeify, Alpha, you can actually get points for the eval purchase, resets, renewals, and payout bonus. You can do all of that. For Funding X, we can only do payout bonus. And we made up for it by doing a boosted payout bonus. If that makes sense. Just made all my losses back on silver micros. Don't degen on trading this. I feel like silver is very dangerous with that. Any other questions? I'll stick around for another 2 minutes. Feel free to answer. If you want to do a quick giveaway, we're going to do a few winners. If you want to post, ideally silver trades, silver execution, if you post it on this recent Twitter post, I'm going to pick a few winners. You're not going to see that many people. If you don't have any silver execution today, just post any execution. We'll consider that too. But yeah, we have like 20 people. If we do 3, that's another very high chance. What does payout bonus mean with Funding X? What that means, if you get a payout using code SMART at checkout for Funding X or for any firm, pretty much, if you get a payout, you submit a form on our website, on our dashboard. We verify it with the firm. And once we verify it, after like, end of the month, you get basically $110 in value, which you can use to buy any account you want on our marketplace. You could save it if you want to buy a bigger account. Some people don't like 50K accounts. I personally do not like trading 50K accounts unless I need to or have to. I prefer the 150K account. So, I gotta log in, damn it. So what that means is like, if you want to save up your points, you can do that. And I think it's like a smart way to do it too. People are saying QI is a symbol for micros on TPT. Is that the case? Just keep in mind, I don't take any responsibility for anyone trading silver and losing money. You gotta take responsibility for it. All right, by the way, this is the marketplace. If you get a payout bonus, you get either 800 points, which you can get this 25K account, you can get a few of these. Or if you get Funding X, you get 1100 points. You can basically get anything. You can get 50K pros here. This is the marketplace though. Everything's in stock. We bought a ton of them, so you get your code very quick. You get Tradeify Select, Lucid Flex, Lucid Pro, Tradeify Growth. The direct discount, the big direct discounts are huge here. And then finally we have these E8 and alpha accounts. That's pretty much it. Okay, that's a good time to wrap up. Make sure you guys post your execution on the Twitter posts. If you did, we'll give you guys a chance to win another account. We did 5 on Discord. We literally did 5 on Discord already. You can see the giveaway claims here. Where was it? Giveaways. So those who won: B Opposite, Squeebs, Emmy, G Pow, and Maddie. You guys make a giveaway ticket. For those on Twitter, I'll pick some later tonight. Your TPT is asking me to pick a different firm. What does that mean? The link? The referral link? This is gonna pump, I feel like. Silver's gonna climb back up. I feel like Silver's just bullish. We're gonna hold this breaker. Your TPT is asking me to pick a different form. Your TPT reward sync. Oh, let me check that out. I want to make sure everything's good. So to find the reward sync for TPT, you just click reward sync for TPT here, and it should take you to Take Profit Trader. Yeah, here. This is what it should be like. And there's instructions. Should be very easy. All right, I'm gonna close this out here, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That'll be it. If there's anything else, I'll be in the Discord.